A few people have asked me how I animate, so instead of answering those questions in words, I'm making a video of how to animate for all of you with these 4 steps. 1. Flat tip stylus. I found it for $10 on Amazon with 2 replaceable tips if the other one goes crusty or you lose it. If you can't buy it, then you can use your finger or look into a cheaper option. For audio, I use my headset microphone, but to start you can use the microphone built in your iPad. Okay, so now the 2 apps, IbisPaintX and iMovie. So I'm just going to show you a clip of me using it and showing you. So this is basically the whole selection of what you need to download. But first to IbisPaintX to paint, I guess. So you want to press My Gallery, and then you want to press the little plus button. That's all by Animations. Plus, and 16:9, that is the one I'd recommend. And then you basically draw what you want. So you can get a circle ruler with the little ruler icon, and then it'll let you roll around stuff in a circle shape, and then you go off. So I'm just going to be drawing a little simple face because my main character take ages to draw and you don't want to be sitting here waiting for me to draw that. So I'm just going to draw my face. Okay, there's different shape rulers as well. And the little cheeks. Very important. That little dot. Oh. Okay. So now you go the exit button and you want to save as photo, and then save, and then it'll come up with save image. You want to press save image. You want to go back to edit to make your character do a different pose. I'm going to make him smile, if I can actually draw him smiling. Good enough. Draw the little tongue. So you want to make the tongue red, if you want it red. And then make the background a bit darker. You want to slide it a bit darker. So that will do. And then to shade, you could have done this on the other one, but I forgot. You just make a little shade. Shade. And then you want to fill that. Oh, and then you want to rub out the stuff you don't actually want to shade with the eraser. Okay, let's rub that up. This is not my best drawing, by the way. I get nervous when I'm recording. Okay, so if you go back to layer 1, it'll just select all what you have done. So you want to go to the shading color, which I find really good. And then you want to fill that. You want to fill that with the bucket. And then erase this, all what's on the second layer. So you want to go big rub. And there's your shadow. Okay, then you go out and same again. So now we need to stitch that together. So go to iMovie. iMovie is there's like an Android version for this, but I'll be linking some of those videos in the description. So you want to go plus movie, because you're making a movie, and then you just want to do create movie, and then it'll come up with this. You go photos, you want to go your first photo, and then you want to go, so as you see it's moving, kinda, there's Ken's button's enabled, you want to disable that. And now it's not moving. So you can customize it your size, how long you want that frame to be. And then you can do your second size. Then your second frame. And then you disable the Ken buttons again. And then basically it's one picture stitched together, and when it's, you want to change it to a 1 symbol, so I'm going to customize it short, so when you play it, it moves, kinda. Yeah. So yeah, that's, oh, I missed something. Sorry. Okay, so now you want to voice over it. So you press the little microphone, and then it records like this. So yeah. And so you press accept if that's the audio you want, and now it will replay with your audio, which is great. And then you basically want to save that to your camera roll, and then pretty much you're done. So I admit that last part was cringy, but it wasn't scripted, so that's my excuse. Okay, so now music. The music I use in my background is these following titles, which I use in my background. I already told you that, I'm so dumb. Okay, this is the in-cardy part, where I just talk. The reason I didn't talk in the other in cards is because I see heaps of other YouTubers didn't script their parts, these parts, so I didn't either. Bye.